Hi everyone, I'm John Meersma, and I want to introduce you to Administering Cisco Unified Communications Manager. I'm a Cisco engineer and instructor with years of experience helping organizations get the most out of their collaboration solutions. These days, reliable communication is essential for every business, and Unified Communications Manager is at the heart of Cisco collaboration. This course is designed for current collaboration administrators who want hands-on skills to confidently manage and support their Cisco deployments. We're going to start at the beginning. No prior Unified Communications Manager experience is necessary. We'll walk through everything step by step. First, you'll learn how to add users, provision phones, and work with device pools to apply policy. Next, we'll dive into the dial plan, digit manipulation, route patterns, and class of control, so calls flow exactly as expected across your system. Finally, you'll integrate Cisco Unity Connection for voicemail, create call handlers, and manage end-user features that keep your organization connected. By the end of this course, you'll have real-world, enterprise-level, hands-on configuration with Cisco Unified Communications Manager and Unity Connection. Every lab mirrors what you'll encounter in production, so you'll leave with the confidence to put these skills to work right away. Administering Cisco Unified Communications Manager is perfect for collaboration administrators, IT support staff, and anyone responsible for maintaining reliable Cisco voice and video systems. Check out our upcoming Guaranteed to Run dates and let Sunset Learning help you be your technical best.